A lawyer calls up a plumber to come out to his house. The plumber takes a look and says, "Okay, I can fix it today, and it will be $800. The lawyer raises an eyebrow and asks, "How long will it take?" The plumber responds, "Well, I need about an hour round trip to the supply house for a part, and then it should take me about an hour for the repair." The lawyer smirks and says, "2 hours? For $800? That's $400 per hour. I'm a lawyer, and my hourly rate is $350 hour." The plumber nods and says, "Yes, sir, I understand. Why is it you think I gave up my law practice?